Humanity's story is the story of automation. Every time there was something that we could do a little better, a little faster, a little more efficiently, we would try to solve that.
These machines, artificial intelligence and computers, I believe will have as big or bigger effect as the Industrial Revolution had a couple hundred years ago.
If we can improve our human efficiency by 20-30%, or in some jobs, hundreds of percent, that's going to create more value in the world than we had previously.
Today, the AI is still relatively immature. Tomorrow, that could change technically, but then what does that mean ethically?
I think we can use AI to solve many of the big challenges that we face as a world today, but I also worry about the dystopias that AI might unleash.
Does technology come to serve us, or do we serve the technology? This thing can crunch more data than I can, and it can do it better than I can, so big problem.
One of the most common questions I get is about AI taking all the jobs, and there's always been fear of technology replacing jobs.
So if your job involves taking information in, modeling it, and pushing it out, that component of that job probably is highly exposed. That, unfortunately, is a lot of knowledge work.
When I substitute something for something else, you lose value. And if I think about complementing something with something else, you add value.
AI is here, whether you like it or not. Like, the company can pretend that it doesn't exist and can bury its head in the sand and say, nobody's allowed to use it, and that's the end of the story. But what happens is that people will use it for their own use.
Your job is not going to be replaced by AI. It's likely to be replaced by the person who really understands how to use AI in their job.
That means that our values are more important. Our choices are more consequential. The machines are not going to decide what happens to us. Fate is not going to decide. We will decide